What is up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Market Marauders. Beat the market one trade at a time. For your Market Marauders investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. If there's something you're interested in, make sure that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. All right, first things first. I have a Patreon page. Make sure you guys go check it out. Link will be down below in the description for live streams as well as daily watch lists. And if you'd like to sign up for Webull and get 4 free stocks, where you deposit $100 or more, that is still going on at the current moment. So link's going to be down below in the description as well. So I'm going to give you my top penny stocks. I know you guys like this series, so let's jump into it. First one is ticker sign AMRS for Amirius. They ended the day at $8.91. And after hours went up 7 more cents to end at $8.98, which is a fantastic metric because they are above their day high, which is at $8.95. So they've been on a pretty bullish uptrend for quite a while. We see right here that in the morning, you see VWAP goes above moving average 10, but at the current moment, the moving average 10 is above the moving average 50 at 100, which denote a bullish uptrend, but VWAP is below the moving average 10, so that's the second indicator not hit. But the first indicator of mine, I would say, yeah, it is positive, but we see usually in the morning VWAP does go above, showing volume increasing. So I expect the same thing to happen for tomorrow as this stock potentially going up, especially considering that it ended at $8.98, which is above the day high for today. Background on them, they have just released, or this was on the 4th, it says Amirius to launch its Bioscience TM Clean beauty brand in China through partnership with Superordinary. So they're going to today announced it will be launching Bioscience clean beauty skin brand into Greater China market through a partnership with Superordinary Group. Superordinary is a leading clean beauty marketing platform in China for some of the world's fastest growing brands. China is one of the largest, fastest growing markets or beauty markets globally, and Chinese consumers in demand for sustainable products with clean ingredients. So a pretty big move for this company overall. I do not live in China, so I do not know the actual numbers on how many people buy beauty products, but I assume it's pretty high, especially considering the amount of people who live there. So I think this is a pretty good move for this company overall, and going to be looking for them to continue to grow as more updates come out for this. Next, we have ticker sign TAT for TAT Technologies. They did touch $8.33 today, but then afterwards went down after hours. They ended at $6.59. Then after hours went down 12 more cents to end at $6.47. So overall on a downtrend, but looks like they tried to curl up towards the end of the day. Overall bullish, then about moving average 10 line, being above 50 at 100, and VWAP is still significantly high. So we'll be looking at this one and see how it moves for tomorrow. Background on them, they are an airplane company, so they don't make airplanes, but they do maintenance and servicing of airplanes. If you're all familiar, the airline industry was hit pretty hard during the pandemic, but with the stimulus that just came out, part of it was funding for the airline industry. So hopefully this company will come back and start booming yet again with airlines having more money to spend on incorporation of their aircrafts, as well as Boeing getting their pass on their 737 being back in the air. So that's going to help as well. We have vaccines out. That's going to help the airline industry as well. So overall, a company that services airplanes and maintenances airplanes, I think will benefit during this time of regrowth and rebuilding in the country. So next we have ticker sign DGLY for Digital Ally. I followed this one for quite a while. I have a lot of videos in the past talking about this company, so make sure you check those out. They did touch $3.98 today, and they ended the day at $3.60. Then after hours went down 94 cents and at $2.69. But overall, I think this company has products that are going to be in demand, especially pretty soon, especially considering what was going on, all the craziness that happened at the Capitol today. So I think the products that this company sells will definitely be in demand in the future as time goes on. So they are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, and VWAP is above moving average 10. So both metrics are positive. Going to Some background on them. This is what they make. So they have law enforcement, commercial fleet, and situational security. They have car video systems. They do body cams, which I think are going to be in high demand as well. They also have this ThermoView device. So this ThermoView device, which is shipping for $1,295 per unit, is just basically a fast detector for temperature. And they also have what seems to be EPA registered disinfectant. So that will also help the company as well, because that was in low demand. So a lot of companies started producing their own. So they jumped into the whole pandemic space, but the security aspect of the company, I think, will continue to grow and be in demand as we go into 2021. Next, we have ticker sign ORTX for Orchard Therapeutics. They touched $7.28 today, and then after hours, they ended at $6.50. Then they went up 59 more cents after hours, so after close to end at $7.09. So overall, pretty bullish for the company. Moving average 10 above 50 and 100, and VWAPs above moving average 10. So pretty happy for those metrics overall. Excuse me. So for their background on them, we can see they're going to be doing a presentation at the 39th annual JP Morgan Healthcare Conference. So that's going to be on Wednesday the 13th. So definitely going to be some pretty good updates coming from that. So I'm going to be watching the stock until that conference actually begins. Lastly on here, we have ticker sign NRBO for Nerubo. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Pharmaceuticals. They did touch $7.61. And then if we see on here, they are bullish, doing about moving average 10, being above 50 and 100. VWAP is above moving average 10, so all positive metrics. They ended at 668 today. Then after hours went down 43 cents to end at $6.25. But overall, still pretty positive, in my opinion. Background on them. This article came out today, I think. Did it come out today? Yeah, it came out today. So this came out at 8:30. So it says transformative acquisition deepens pipeline with in-process phase 2 out of 3 clinical study of proprietary oral formulation of niclosamide for the treatment of basically the pandemic. Development timeline supports multiple value drivers over the next 12 to 18 months. So it seems like they are in phase 2 out of 3 for their clinical trial, which I think is good. Definitely going to be looking for some more updates from this, especially considering that they're in 2 of 3. Then comes 3, and then when they file for that NDA, definitely going to be looking for a boost in that stock price. So, interesting things, especially considering it's in that pandemic niche category. So definitely going to be looking for some more updates, especially considering it's in that pandemic category. So those are the stocks that I'm looking at. Drop a comment down below. Tell me which stocks you guys are looking at. I'm definitely interested to hear your picks for the week. And make sure you check out the Patreon page in the description down below as well. If you'd like to sign up for Webull, that's down there as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.